5 drinks to repair and heal your inflamed colon. Do you suffer from diverticulitis, inflammatory bowel disease, colitis, Crohn's, IBS, or chronic constipation? If so, you know how debilitating these conditions can be. The good news is that natural remedies and lifestyle changes can make a significant difference. This video provides actionable tips to help you heal your colon, reduce inflammation, and restore your digestive health. Empower yourself with the knowledge to combat these issues and enjoy a more comfortable, symptom-free life. Number 1. One of the best natural remedies for lowering inflammation in the colon and treating ulcers is raw cabbage juice. To prepare this, simply add fresh organic purple or green cabbage to a blender or electronic juicer. Strain the mixture and drink 1 to 4 cups per day, about 1 liter. Cabbage juice is rich in glutamine and methylmethionine, also known as vitamin U. Studies have shown that these powerful natural ingredients help heal the lining of the colon, effectively treating ulcers and inflammation. Additionally, the vitamin C and glutamine in this drink help restore the protective mucus layer of your gut, preventing toxins from leaking into your body and causing an autoimmune reaction. Number 2. Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen, which is essential for forming the lining of your colon and gastrointestinal (GI) tract. Our ancestors consumed bone broth regularly as part of their diet, making it by boiling animal bones in a stew. However, this practice has fallen out of favor over the past 60 years. You can now purchase bone broth in powdered form, made from fish or grass-fed beef bones. This tasteless powder can be easily added to a glass of water or soup. Bone broth is rich in amino acids such as proline, glutamine, and arginine, which help seal damaged areas of your gut lining and restore the integrity of your intestinal walls. This process helps reduce inflammation in the colon and prevents autoimmune diseases, such as psoriasis, arthritis, celiac disease, pernicious anemia, and hypothyroidism. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Number 3. To make a beneficial drink for your digestive health, take a glass of water and add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well and drink this mixture twice a day, 30 minutes before a meal. Apple cider vinegar, made from fermented apple juice, is rich in acetic acid. This acid feeds the enterochromaffin (EC) cells in your colon with short-chain fatty acids, helping to strengthen them and heal any damaged areas in the walls of your intestine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help destroy harmful microbes in your digestive tract. This drink is also effective for overcoming acid reflux because it helps restore digestive juices like bile, enzymes, and hydrochloric acid, HCl, enabling you to digest your food properly. Note: if you have stomach ulcers, avoid this drink until they are healed, as the acidity can irritate them. Number 4. One of the main issues for people with an inflamed colon is the difficulty in digesting vegetables and fruits due to their high fiber content. However, phytonutrients and chlorophyll from plants are essential for healing the lining of the gut and repairing the cell walls damaged by inflammation. To address this issue, you can purchase raw kamut wheatgrass juice powder from health food stores. This powder is made from the juice of wheatgrass, not the blades, and is dried using very low heat to preserve its nutrients. Simply mix a teaspoon of this powder in an 8-ounce glass of water and drink it every morning, on an empty stomach, to enhance the healing process in your bowel. Wheatgrass juice is one of the richest sources of chlorophyll without the fiber, which helps restore the mucus barrier in your gut. It also strengthens the tight junctions in the cell walls of the colon, preventing harmful toxins from leaking into your body, a condition known as leaky gut, which can lead to autoimmune diseases. Number 5. Many people are sensitive to the lactose found in dairy products like milk, which can cause inflammation in the intestine. Kefir, however, is a fermented milk product that removes much of the lactose, making it easier to digest for those with gut issues. Kefir is one of the best natural foods to consume to restore the trillions of friendly microbes that live in your large intestine. You can purchase kefir grains and make it yourself at home, or you can buy it from health food stores. Just ensure it is unpasteurized. The probiotics in kefir are extremely helpful for those with any type of gut damage, especially ulcerative colitis, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and Crohn's disease. Kefir also enhances the pumping action of the colon, peristalsis, helping to prevent constipation, which may also cause inflammation in the colon. There are many fantastic remedies you can try to help heal your inflamed colon and restore normal digestion. Try one of these remedies for a period of 4 weeks and journal how your digestion improves over time. If it doesn't, move on to another remedy to find out which one has the most positive impact. These drinks work best when used with a healthy lifestyle, low in stress, junk foods, and toxins. Lifestyle tips to heal your colon. Number 1. Eliminate irritating foods. Remove grains, gluten, vegetable oils, fruits, high-fiber vegetables, and legumes from your diet temporarily, as these can irritate the gut. During the healing process, use cabbage juice or wheatgrass juice as substitutes for vegetables, as the fiber in vegetables may irritate your gut lining. Number 2. Consume high-quality proteins. Eat plenty of high-quality proteins rich in amino acids. These amino acids help restore the collagen in the lining of your colon and tighten up the cell line to prevent toxins from leaking into your bloodstream. Number 3. Vitamin D3 and K2 supplementation. Take 20,000 IU, 0.5 milligrams, of vitamin D3 daily with 200 mcg of vitamin K2, Mk7. People with gut damage often have a vitamin D deficiency. This higher dosage is required to stimulate healing in the colon and to lower the inflammatory response from your immune system. Number 4. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Cut out alcohol and stop smoking as much as possible, as these deplete your antioxidants. Take a daily supplement of L-glutamine, available in powdered form or capsules. L-glutamine helps directly restore the protective mucus lining of the digestive tract, particularly beneficial for ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. Number 5. Reintroduce foods gradually. Once your symptoms subside, slowly reintroduce steamed vegetables into your diet. But continue to avoid inflammatory grains, gluten, and vegetable oils, as they can cause your problems to return. To protect your colon long-term, boost the amount of friendly bacteria by eating probiotic and prebiotic-rich foods. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these 5 drinks to repair and heal your inflamed colon helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and remedies. Also, leave a comment below to let us know which drink you're excited to try or if you have any other recommendations. Take care and see you in the next video.